Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test the beautiful quick meal Vetrano espresso machine. It comes to us with burnt standby LED light, and it was causing kind of a short, so I replaced it and place even the cables shortage, and we wire it, and we found out like the machine needs tune up. This is the old shower screen and this is the old gasket, so both get replaced. And we did like deep cleaning for the steam wand, for this area here, the descale the machine. Let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. Get to this side. There you go. How that like really nice stable flow, making really great espresso shot with the crema, and it's tasty too. Let's test the steamer. Works perfect, and the hot water works great too. So all the functions in this machine perfect now. Thank you for watching.